So today we are gonna do a closet purge. We're gonna try on, well, I'm gonna try on every single item in my wardrobe to see what I can keep or sell or give away, because I don't really like to own things that don't serve me happiness. Wow, that's so deep. But I don't really like to own things that I don't use often. I don't like to hoard things. So every now and then I get rid of things in my wardrobe that I haven't worn for a long time. If you guys think that I should keep some things or sell them, things that just don't look right on me, let me know, comment down below, let's interact, help a sister out, you know. Okay, so if you guys enjoyed this is gonna be a long one. I might do part 1, part 2, part 3. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and yeah. So we're gonna start with this top. This is a top that I got from Glassons just a few weeks ago. It's a knit crop top with tortoise shell buttons. It's very cropped, and yeah, this is gonna be perfect for the summer, so I'm gonna obviously keep it for now. So the next top is a thrifted top from a brand called BCBG Maxazeria. I thrifted this in the Philippines. I don't know how I feel about this top because I don't wear a lot of color. I just like to keep things neutral. But it's really pretty. It's got like floral prints, and the fabric is this really good quality fabric. I don't know if I should keep it. I might have to give it away or sell it because I just don't wear color. This is another thrifted top from Free People, and I actually looked up the price for this, and it was, I think, around $90, which is so expensive because Free People is just a really expensive brand. So I don't know if I should keep this. This isn't really my style, but I guess it would be great for the summer season. But I don't know, I don't really know how I feel about the polka dots, but I'm gonna keep it for now, just for the summer season, and when summer's gone, I'm probably gonna sell this. This is from a brand called Lioness. I'm definitely gonna keep this. I love the whole peasant, ruffled sleeves, big sleeves kind of vibe to it. I really, really love this. I'm gonna keep this. This is just horrible. I don't even know why I got this. This is from Uniqlo. I've never worn this. I think I got it because I thought it was gonna be off the shoulder, but I don't think it's meant to be for that because you can't really move when you off the shoulder it. See, I mean, I don't know. I think I was just really into that off the shoulder vibe when I got this. But I think it's meant to be like this, which is so weird. It looks so weird. I think I'm gonna, well, I know I'm gonna get rid of this because I don't know. I don't even know how I can style this. I look like I'm a middle-aged woman who works at an office. So definitely gonna get rid of this. This is a tiny, tiny ass top. I got this in the Philippines. From Divisoria. If you're Filipino, you know what Divisoria is. It's basically a market where you can get really cheap stuff. And I think I got this for like 150 pesos. But yeah, I think this is for kids. I don't think this suits my style. I mean, I can't even move my arms around. It's so small. I don't even know why I bought this, but it does look pretty cute. It just, the armbands are so tiny. I don't know how I feel about this, but I think, what do you guys think? Should I keep it? Should I sell it? How do I even wear this? I've never worn this before, and I just bought this like at the start of the year, so I don't know how to go about this top. Should I keep it? Should I sell it? I'm gonna keep it for now because I haven't worn it out and I want to try and style it. But I'm probably gonna get rid of this soon. This is a similar top to the last one. This is way nicer. It's like this velvet fabric with bigger armbands, and it's more ruffled than the other one. And I think I like this more. I think I will keep this. This is so pretty. It's so, I don't know how to describe it. It's just so nice, and I think, oh, sorry about that. I think I can style this, definitely. It's much bigger than the other one. So I think I'm gonna change my mind about this and sell this because it's just so tiny and this fits me way better than this. So I'm gonna keep this and I'm gonna sell this. This top is from Zara. Well, this jumper is from Zara. I got this in France. I think I got this in France or London. And there's something about things that I bought overseas that kind of makes me want to keep them because, you know, it's like memories. So I think I'm gonna keep this, and it's so comfortable. I've been using it. I've had this for about 5 years or 4 years, so, and it's lasted me this long and it's still great quality, so I'm definitely gonna keep this. This is a very, very memorable piece of clothing that I bought from France. I was wearing this the whole trip, so I'm definitely gonna keep this, and it's so pretty. I always get complimented when I wear this, and yeah, I'm definitely gonna keep this. I don't really wear polos, but this is from Lacoste and it's gray. I mean, I think I can style this, but I don't know, like, what do you guys think of polos? Can you pull them off? Can girls pull them off, or is it just for guys? Yeah, I don't know. I don't know how I would style this, but I would love to keep it just in case in the future I find a way to style this. This is a vintage Marc Jacobs that I thrifted last year. It's so beautiful, and I'm definitely gonna keep this because I have to have a designer item in my wardrobe, and this is gonna be one of them. So this is so beautiful. It's very summery, and I think I remember seeing this on the runway or some celebrity wearing it, but oh, I love it. I love Marc Jacobs, so I'm definitely gonna keep this. So I know I said that I don't wear a lot of color, but this dress, there's just something about the orange color of it, and it's linen. I think I'm gonna keep it just for the summer season and probably just wear it once or twice and then sell it. But I don't know, I really like this dress for some reason. I love the color orange. And yeah, so I'm just gonna keep this for now and then probably get rid of it after. This is a really, really beautiful baby pink top, and the fabric is just amazing. The quality is so good, but the only thing that I hate about this top is the sleeves. It's got like buttons all over, like up and down the sleeves, and it just ruins the look of the top, so I think I'm gonna have to get rid of this. This is a top from Uniqlo. I got this because it had this Basquiat design, and he's one of my favorite artists. That's why I got it. It was either this or the Andy Warhol t-shirt, but I chose this because at that time I really liked the color green. But because it's from Uniqlo and this is kind of a unique piece because I think they were only doing it for one-off thing, I'm gonna keep this because he's one of my favorite artists, so I'm gonna keep it. This is a Ralph Lauren extra large men's top. It's a pinstripe button up. I don't know why I got this. I think because I just really like the whole oversized look. Yeah, it's extra large. I wore this once and my friend was like, Denise, why are you wearing your pajamas to uni? It's Ralph Lauren, I mean. So it does look like pajamas, but I think I'm gonna have to let this go. I just look like I'm, you know that show Bananas in Pajamas? Yeah, I look like them, so I'm gonna let this go. Although it's Ralph Lauren, it just doesn't look right. This is a similar top. It's another button-up pinstripe button-up, but this time it's like this baby pink and white, which I think is tolerable. It looks better than the blue and white. I'm gonna keep this just for the summer season as like a cover-up. I don't know, should I keep it or should I not? It's really pretty though. I love pink. I love pink, but it's too large. It's extra large as well. I mean, I've had this for years. I thrifted this back like 2 years ago. So I don't know how I would style this. I mean, does that look okay with shorts? For the summer season and like the spring season, I think this is tolerable. I think I'm gonna keep it. I think I'm gonna keep it. What do you guys think? Should I keep it or not? Should I keep it or not? Top I got from Uniqlo like earlier this year. I am also very confused about this top as to why I got it in the first place because it just looks so complicated. I guess it's like a top that you can change around, like you can go off the shoulder. See, it's so confusing. See, how does that even work? I think I'm gonna get rid of this top because it just doesn't look right on me. I mean, it's my size, but it just doesn't look right, so I think I'm just gonna have to get rid of it. This top is from Mango. I really love this top, the massive sleeves and the pinstripe and the blue thing. This is really nice. I haven't worn this yet. I bought this back in July and I'm so excited to wear this in the summer season. So I'm gonna keep this, and look how pretty it is at the back. So I've managed to get rid of quite a lot of stuff. This is just part one. I still have half of my wardrobe to go, so I hope you guys are gonna stick around. If you liked some of the stuff that I got rid of, I will post them on my Depop as soon as I can. And yeah, hope you guys like this video. I don't know. Okay, bye.